In the cities of Sundarpur, Subhas left with his wife Rekha and their two children Rinko and Chintus. Subhas was a very wealthy man who promoted businessmen who employs thousands of people. He had grounds mansions which remarried servers knew different tasks. Subhas and Rekha took great pride in their wealth and progance they treat their servants as they were insignificant. One morning, Rekha to her servants and angrily.
Shalu, is breakfast ready or not? You all know I want everything on time. Why isn't the breakfast on the table yet?
I'm sorry, madam. I'm feeling unwell today, so I'm a bit slow.
If you'll work, you won't die. You all should know your place.
I apologize, madam. We'll serve your breakfast right now.
After finishing the breakfast, Bus left for work. As he come out, there was a small house is mentioned. Shamu left there with his wife Surekha and their sons Raju. Shamu was a vegetables wonders who work hard every day. Subha's children Rinko and Chintus often play with Raju's today. After finishing their breakfast, they run to play with him. See this Subhas.
Rinky, Chintu, how many times have I told you not to play with that poor boy? Chintu, but you guys are not ready to understand.
Shiva slapped both Rinkos and Chintus and they both crying go to their mothers seeing the kids, Rekha says.
Arre, what happened? What's the matter? Why are you both crying? Mom, we were playing with Raju and father hit us. I have told you so many times. Raju is poor. He is using you. Don't associate with him. But both of you, don't listen to me. Now, go to your room and play.
Now Rinkos and Chintus goes to their homes to play. The days passed by. After some days comes the festivals of Holi. Rinku says to her fathers.
Father, Holi is coming. We need pink, yellow, blue, silver, all these colors. Will you get them for us?
Oh, yes, my children. I will bring all the colors for all of us.
Shubhas bring many colors by coming back from the office. Rinkos and Chintus becomes very happy seeing this and here's Raju's fathers are days before Holi's decks all in hot outsides and place wood in locks around the beats and during evening lights fired dew Holi's cold hands. Just then Subhas went outside in shouts.
Shamu, your hut has been ruining the beauty of my mansion for years. I stayed silent, but now this is too much. Burning wood here will blacken my walls. Remove this immediately. Understand? This is too much. Sir, please don't say that. This is our tradition. We do Holika Dahan every year before playing Holi. Shut up, Shamu. Don't teach me traditions.
So Fiore, Subhas and Rekhas go inside their mansions taking their kids alone. The next morning Subhas, Rekhas, Rinkies and Chintus were playing with colors brought by Subhas. See them Raju's too felt like playing Holi, so he goes near Rinky and Chintu.
Chintu, Rinky, can I play Holi with you?
Just then Subhas shouted.
Hey Raju, how dare you come here, you poor brat?
Angrily, Subhas insulted Raju, who sadly goes to his home and his father's everything Shamu's day.
Hey Raju, do you want to play with colors? Wait a moment.
Really, father? Are you getting me colors now?
No, not at all.
What?
Yes, because we will make our own colors.
Now Shamus calls his wife and asks her to bring some color from Choling's sides and to grind it. Also, there was some plants nearby. Flowers of this color could be used to make natural colors. So Shamus gets those flowers and make colors around pinkies and make black colors from charcoals. He bakes a panchkaris with bottles. All three of them play holies joyfully. The very next day, Rinkies and Chintus comes to meet Raju.
Raju, you look so clean. Our colors aren't coming off at all. We even had to throw away our clothes. And look at the stain on my cheek. That's because my parents made organic colors without any chemicals in them. As soon as I took my bath, they came out, and my skin is safe too.
1 year passing by and they comes holing against. So these holies, Rinkies and Chintus also ask Shamus to make colors for them, and Shamus prepares colors for them to like every year. Rinki, Chintus, Rekhas and Shubhas were playing holies. Just then Shubhas get a call from office. Service says,
Sir, there is an important call for you from office. Let me see. Hello? What? I'm coming immediately. Make arrangements for tea and snacks. Rekha, I have to leave for the office right now. You know how long I have waited for this deal?
just then Shubhas notices these colors on his skin and he says,
Oh no, Rekha. This color won't come off. Oh God. If I don't reach on time, my international deal will be cancelled. We'll lose millions. Now, what will I do?
Rinki asked the servants to bring waters and says,
Papa, don't worry. Just wash your face.
Rinki, this is no time for jokes. Chemical colors stay for at least 2-3 days. What do I do now?
Now Chintus boasts waters over his father's using the pipes. As soon as water falls on Subhas, all the colors get washed. Seeing this, Subhas exclaiming with joy and says to Chintu,
Chintu, how is this possible?
Father, these are not chemical colors. Shamu uncle made them at home. They are organic colors.
Hearing Chintu's words, Subhas felt overjoyed. He feels embarrassed too. He then goes to office, closes the deals, and by returning back home, he stops his car outside some horse and says to Shamus,
Shamu, I apologize for my mistake. I am feeling really guilty. Today, because of you, my biggest deal was a success. I am very grateful to you. From now on, I am offering you a job at my company.
and Subhas gives Shamus a stable job. Besides, Subhas started respecting all his workers at home and in office, and so they all were happy together.